Good day, madam. Today, I will present a technical review of the Redmi 12C smartphone. Ako po si Amisola Jan Miguel and I will share my evaluation and findings about this product. Now, the Redmi 12C is one of Xiaomi's budget smartphones. Ang main focus nito ay affordability, battery life, at everyday usability. Hindi man siya flagship or top-end na smartphone, it still delivers good value for its price. Now, I found some reviews related to this product sa mga online shopping platforms, and one of the review I have read is that the Redmi 12C earned 4.5 stars. So, ang summarization ko sa kanyang review is that Redmi 12C has affordable price and excellent battery life. Kaya daw nitong tumagal ng buong araw kahit heavy use. Ang cons naman is that the camera is just okay, decent, good for simple photos, pero hindi siya kaganon kaganda sa low light. And recommendation niya daw is that if you want a budget phone with long battery life, this is a great option, sabi niya. Pero kung photography priority mo, you might want to check other models, sabi nung nag-review. That's the first review. Let's proceed to the second review I found on the internet. Now, this review, ni-review niya ang product with 3 stars out of 5. Sabi niya dito, the display is nice. It has vibrant colors and enjoyable for watching videos or browsing social media. But the performance has lag issues, especially when switching between apps. Hindi daw ito bagay sa heavy multitasking or gaming. And recommend niya rin dito na it works well for casual use. But if you often switch apps or play games, the performance might not meet your expectations. So, hindi talaga siya for gaming for me, based sa mga reviews na nakita ko. So, that's the second review. Now, the third review I found on the internet on online shopping platforms. Specifically, this is from Amazon reviews. The last review gave it 4.5 over 5 stars. Sabi niya dito, it has lightweight design, comfortable to hold, and it has responsive fingerprint scanner. However, the product daw has weak speaker volume and not designed for gaming heavy tasks. And sabi niya, I recommend that this is perfect for those who need a basic, secure, and lightweight phone. But if you plan to use it for loud media or gaming, again, sabi niya naman gaming, hindi daw pang gaming, you might want to explore better options. Sabi niya, hindi daw for gaming. Kasi nga, sa price niya, binabase din nila yung performance ng product sa price kasi hindi naman ito masyadong kamahalan. That's why it is very affordable for students. Now, my overall analysis, I can say that the Redmi 12C is a budget-friendly phone with a strong battery life, a decent screen display, and reliable everyday performance. However, it has some limitations such as camera quality, occasional lag, and weak speaker output. For me, my personal review, my final rating for the Redmi 12C is between 3 and 4 stars, depending on what the user values most. It is best for students, casual users, and those who are looking for a practical and affordable phone for daily use. In conclusion, the Redmi 12C shows that you don't need to spend a lot of money to get a reliable smartphone. Sulit siya for everyday task, but don't expect for high-end performance. That ends my presentation on the Redmi 12C technical review. Thank you for listening, and I am now ready to palong na. Thank you, ma'am.